Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2017 Ram Laramie Crew Cab 4-wheel drive, stock number E2550X. Only 27,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Ram brand new, Black Forest Green in color. You'd receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5, leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Rear outboard seats are also heated. Seats will flip up for additional cargo space. Upgraded 10-speaker Alpine sound system with subwoofer. Rear defrost for excellent visibility and power sliding window for extra ventilation. Soft tonneau cover. Locking tailgate. Backup camera, rear parking sensors for additional safety, trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Laramie has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, power adjustable pedals, and memory settings for 2 drivers. Gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. 8-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, as well as ventilated seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year, along with dual zone automatic temperature control. Navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for climate, and heated and cooled seats, as well as heated steering wheel. Lots of storage in the armrest, USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and sliding rear window control. Under the hood, this Ram has a 5.7-liter Hemi V8, 395 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 30% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Ram, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.